In this video, I'm going to show you how to add star rating format in Apple numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. So here there is a sample table and you are seeing that it's a star rating type of thing. So I will show you how you can make it very simple and easy way. So at first we need to select the cell where we want to set this type of rating. I'm going to click here and then we have to come right side. Format and organize. Two tabs are there on the top corner. We have to click for format from this toolbar and then it will be appeared like this way. Now there is couple of tab like table, cell, text, arrange. Our goal is to put this star rating, right? So we have to go cell tab. I'm going to click cell tab and very shortly cell related information will be there. Now from the data format we have to click this drop down, and once we click drop down it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to choose star rating. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will be looking like that. Now if I want to copy this type of rating for all the rows, we can move our cursor and then we'll find a small yellow dot. We have to drag till the end of these rows and now it's ready. Now if we click here you will see that star rating has been added, and that's it. In this way we can easily add star rating format in Apple numbers spreadsheet.